So this is the sum that we have, right? This is the equation that we have. We have 3x plus 7 is equals to 25. So if you have numbers, like in this case, plus 7, what you need to do is you need to transfer it to the other side. When you take it to the other side, then the sign changes, okay? So we get a different sign. So what are we going to be left with on the one side? So we're going to be left with 3x is equals to, and then we have 25, and then now that positive 7 would have changed to a minus 7 if we take it to the other side. So now that sign has changed. Then the next thing that you have to do is you have to get the x alone. So we can see that we have 3x at the moment, which is not what we're looking for. We are looking for the value of x. So what we're going to do is we're going to say divided by 3, and what you do on one side you have to do on the other side. So we're going to divide by 3 on this side as well. So now what then happens is, because of we're dividing by the same number this side, that would essentially mean that this 3 and that 3 on top will cancel. And if those 3's cancel, then what are we left with? We're just left with x. Then we have 25 minus 7, which will give us 18. And then 18 divided by 3. Just do this. 18 divided by 3. And then we have x is equals 18 divided by 3, which is 6. And that is our answer. So just one more thing, in order to see that was your answer correct, what you can do is you can substitute. So we can go back to this equation and we can just say 3, and then now we can substitute with the answer that we got over here. So we substitute and say 6. I always put the numbers that we're substituting in brackets so that if it was a negative, then the sign will still stay the same. Plus 7 is equals to 0. So now what are we looking for? We're looking to see if will this give us that answer over here. So what we can then say is we don't even need the equal sign. We don't need this at all. What we're just trying to figure out is, will this section here equal to 25 if we substitute with 6 that we got? Okay. So if we say 3 times 6, we will get 18 plus 7. And if we say 18 plus 7, it will give us 25. So that means this does give us our answer. So that means that this x that we got is indeed correct. So that's how you can even go a step further to find out if was your answer correct. Did the number that you got for x actually work, by just taking that value and going to substitute where you see x. So if it was a case where we probably have 3x plus x, for example, then this would have been 6 plus 6, because then we would substitute 6 twice on both x values. Okay, so this is just a more detailed explanation. I hope this makes sense. And always remember, if you're not sure that your answer is correct, you can always just substitute and check if does it equal to that value over there.